dog. To all of my exes, I know it's curtains. I do not miss y'all. Yeah, I'ma fuck you, I never love.
Hi. Hey. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy, and this is Wendy with the I. On my channel, I keep it very real because obviously this is how I look most of the time. Yeah, and I talk a lot about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel. I do a lot of unboxings. I do a lot of I don't do a lot of get ready with me's. I was about to say I do a lot of get ready with me's, but I don't. I do a few like travel with me's. I talk a little bit. Yeah, we just do whatever I feel like doing on this channel. So if that feels like something that you would be interested in, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. I haven't said that in a while, so I will just remind you, you can do that. You can watch my videos and subscribe. So please do that. I really appreciate it. And then also, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button or that check mark. I think it's like a thumbs up button. So yeah, helps my channel out. And yeah, so let's get to it. So today is another unboxing. So I got another box. Well, we'll get that. Yeah, we'll get that out of the way. But I got another box. This time it's from Fashionphile. So if you guys don't know, Fashionphile is a consignment, online luxury consignment store. So you guys know that I love luxury, right? I'm a luxury girl, mostly for like luxury, like shoes and purses and accessories and stuff like that, right? So sorry. So Fashionphile kind of like gives me that fix. So you can get a lot of stuff on there. Mostly it's just shoes and bags and accessories like jewelry and wallets and scarves and stuff like that. For below retail, sometimes it's not, especially when it's like in season stuff. Sometimes they'll sell stuff like over retail, which I think is kind of ridiculous, but whatever. But sometimes you can find stuff that's like out of season and you can get really good deals. And so those are the things that I try to find on Fashionphile. That's what I like Fashionphile for. Also, you can sell your stuff to Fashionphile and you can get, if they accept it, you can get offered so much money from Fashionphile, and they'll buy it from you and then they'll sell it on their site. So a few ways that you can kind of work with Fashionphile there. So I am unboxing. Here's kind of the unboxing of my Fashionphile unboxing. I actually have, if you can see, I have two items that I have purchased. Two items that I purchased from Fashionphile. They are both earrings, and they are both they're both the same thing. Well, no, they're not both the same thing, but they're both from the same brand, and they're both on my wish list, which I'm debating on whether or not I do like an end of the year kind of revisit. Because my wish list is so extensive, I don't know if I want to do that. If I just want to like start fresh, I don't know. It just feels like a daunting task. I may or may not. We'll see, because we're getting there. And I'm also like having surgery at the end of the year. Oh gosh, it feels like it feels like it might not happen, but we will see. We also have to have that surgery conversation. We will. I promise we will. I'll actually get dolled up for that. But this is not the surgery conversation. So, as you can see, we've got two little boxes here. They're Chanel boxes. One obviously has the little, what is this called? The little, oh shoot. What is this called? I can't think of the little flower. The I want to say canary, but that's not it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you don't know, I'm probably putting it over here in parentheses or something, whatever. But it's the Chanel little flower, and then the other one just has its own box. So this is what we have today. So we're gonna do a double unboxing. So the first one is the Crystal Lambskin CC chain hoop earring. And I will say, let me preface and say, I don't know if I'm keeping both of these. I don't know. I like them both, but we will see. So we've got the box here. We have the little pouch. And we're going to unbox. And here we have our first pair of earrings. Now, I initially looked at these. They actually have a larger pair of these hoops on their website right now. I don't know if you can, that's a good view of these earrings. So hopefully I'll have a picture of what they look like on the site as well. But that's what they look like, okay? So these are cute. So they actually have a larger pair of these earrings on the website right now. Well, actually, I have not been on the website in about a week, a little over a week now. So I don't know if they're still on the website, but those were the ones that I initially were going to get versus these. But those actually, on the little CC in the front, they had a little tarnish on them. And I mean, I didn't mind it, but I obviously I decided to pass on them, and I got these. So let's put these on. Oh gosh, where is the hole? Okay, there we go. So these are the first pair. These are really cute. I like these a lot. They are very cute. So this is what they look like up close. Very cute, very just like simple. Like just, you know, just cute. Just cute, you know, just like she's cute. Nothing like super out there. I like that about these. They don't have, I'm not like wowed. Honestly, I feel like I need more information. Like more information is like I need, what do I need more of? I don't know what I need more of. But I can't tell you the price because the price is on my phone. Or do I have, let's see. I feel like okay, so there's no package slip either. So yeah, the pricing and stuff is on my phone, but hopefully I remember to maybe like put the price that I paid, or the price, I'll put like the actual price of the earring and the price that I paid on the screen. Sorry guys, it's like really hot in here. The weather is changing, and I was outside and it was a little cooler, And now I'm inside and I did not have the air on, but it's like 76 degrees, but it's kind of hot in here. And I still have this thing on. So I'm just kind of like all over the place with my wardrobe. It's the time of year where you don't really know what to wear. Anyways, back to the earrings. These are really cute. I think what I need to figure out is like, what would I wear these with? Like, I'm not really 100% sure. So these are like, okay. The name of these earrings again are Crystal Lambskin CC chain hoop earrings. So they have like the black kind of, the black, what's it called? Lambskin wrapped around kind of like silver. And then they have like the crystals along with it. And then it's like, I would say, I don't think it's like fully silver. I would say it's kind of like, what is that color between silver and gold? Kind of sort of like, I feel like it could swing either way, but it's a really pretty, it's a nice size. I feel like it's a quarter size. Like in one of the pictures on the site, it does put a quarter right beside it. So I did know that it was going to be about a quarter size. And I feel like it's like a really good size. I feel like it's a great size for an earring. So this is the first pair. I like it. I like these. They're very hefty. I like that. Like they got some weight to them. I really appreciate that for as much money as you're going to spend on a pair of Chanel earrings. I would hope they would have a little bit of weight. All I'm saying. Okay. Number 2. These are a bit more special. So they were a bit more expensive. These are called the Lambskin Enamel Metal Chain French something. It doesn't extend the name of these. But these are more kind of like dangly. Well, you will see. So here we go again with the pouch, right? Open it up. And we have a little bit more special. We've got some dangly dillies, right? We've got the CC with the dangle. Yeah, so this one is definitely more special. It's the same deal. It has like lambskin. So we've got, let's see if I can, let me just put one up that is better. You can see kind of what's going on there. But it's just a CC with like, that's dangled from a big bauble. And it's similar to the first earring and the way it's made, kind of like roped. Oh yeah, she's a winner. She's a winner. She is made similar to this, right? Like she has like roped, has the lambskin roped around, right? But she has like the big CC. And I can already tell you that these are a go for me. These are a go for me. These are a go. These are a definite go for me, for your girl. So I definitely really like this. And I feel like because I don't have hair and I wear my hair like in a, you know, low cut, in a fade, right? Having big statement earrings like this really help to make me feel like, I already feel like I'm that girl, but earrings like this just kind of like accentuate the fact that I am that girl. And I just, yeah, these the ones. When I saw them on the site, I was like, yeah, let me just snatch these up because I knew that these would go quickly. These were on the site. These have been on the site for a while. These, the day that I saw them, is the day that I bought them. So I bought these, and then I just threw these in for good measure. I was like, let me just throw these other ones in just in case I don't like these. Because I've been, if you've been here since the beginning, like one of my first videos was my 2022 wish list. And one of the things on my wish list was another pair of CC earrings, like dramatic ones. And I've been looking and looking and looking, and I haven't really found what I've been looking for. And I think with these are, I don't necessarily know if these are like the end all be all, but these are getting me there. And so I think for sure these are a go. These are a go. So yes. So what I'm proposing, what I think I'm going to do is I'm definitely keeping these, and I'm going to try these on again, but I kind of think I'm going to return these. Yeah. I definitely think these are a go though. So in the comments below, let me know what you think. You've already seen them both on, right? Just know these are a go. These are a go. These are a go. I just got my nails done today, so like when I get my nails done, you get a lot of that. So yeah, these are a go. Ooh, these are really good. Yeah, these are a go. So I'm excited about these. I really like these a lot. I'm really glad that I found these. These are really pretty too. Very beautiful. Really nice. Very nice size for my head shape and my neck, because I have a really short neck, so like really long earrings don't really work for me. Even though I like them. So let's go back to these. Listen, I'm not opposed to keeping them both now. Your girl, I'm not opposed. I would be intrigued though, like I would be intrigued. Sorry guys, a little hot. I'd be intrigued to see the longer pair. The longer pair of hoop earrings. I know they're a little longer, but at this point I probably would not purchase them just to like try them on. I wouldn't do that. I do like these though. I like these as well. But do I like them enough to keep? That is the question. I don't really know. These are a go. These are staying. Do I like these to keep? Let me know in the comments below. What would you do? If you were Wendy, what would you do? Would you keep these as well? When you know that you're keeping these, like, are they too close for comfort that you would not want both of them? Like, let me know. Let me know what you think. Curious to know. So anyways, okay, so that's all I got. I have some things to do around the house. I have to get to packing because I'm headed to Houston this weekend, and it should be a good time. Get to hang out with some of my friends I haven't seen in a while, and I'm planning to take you guys with me. Don't know how much I will vlog, but we will see. And yeah, that I think is all I got. So talk to you guys later. Bye.